Hello everyone, I'm Alicia. Welcome to my Beautiful Nights channel. For this video, I'm going to show you guys another bead haul that I got from Beebeecraft. And before I go too far in this video, I do want to let you guys know that I'm not feeling well today. I had an earache in my left ear, and it was pretty bad, and it started getting better for one day. I'm like, yes, it's almost over with. And the very next day, my right ear started up. So if you're wondering why I seem off or I'm just not acting the way I usually do, that's what's wrong with me. I'm not feeling well. So I do have a coupon code for Beebeecraft to share with you guys, and I will put it here in the video. This time when I went onto Beebeecraft, I clicked on their new button and a whole bunch of new items popped up that I've never seen before, and I was really interested in their seed beads. So these are the seed beads I'm talking about. So when I clicked on the seed beads, these popped up in, I think it's 24 different colors. I ended up ordering 18 of them, and these are 12-0 seed beads, so they're just a little bit smaller than 11-0 seed beads, and there's 150 grams, I think, in each container. Okay, and I'm going to show you up close what they look like. So as you can see, they're round seed beads. They're very uniform in size and shape. And I also like the container they come in. The bottom here is an indentation, so you can stack the containers, and you can stack several of them, and if you have a shelf, it's a great way to store them. So I'm gonna go through all the colors with you and show you what I ordered. This color here is like a hot pink. It is so gorgeous. I love it. It's really pretty. And I also got a peach color. This peach color has like a luster finish to it. Do you see how it's sort of pearly? Has a pearl look to it. And I also got a purple, and this one also has a luster finish. It looks like a pearl. And again, all of these are size 12-0, 12-aught seed beads. This one here is called Coral. This one is stunning. Really pretty color. I love that. So you can see here, I'll show you the difference in the colors. This, I think, was the hot pink, peach, and this is coral. Okay, and I also got this pink here. This is a dark pink. I don't remember if it's called dark pink or not online. This is also a really pretty color. And I also got white. A lot of the white seed beads I have now, the 11-0s, have like super tiny holes, and I can't pass my needle through them. So I got these, and I also got this color here. This color is amazing. It's called steel blue or blue steel, something like that. It's really pretty. And I got this dark green here. It's like a forest green. And I got a dark brown color. It's like a chocolate brown, dark chocolate brown. I got this bronze, but I think they're calling this coffee. And I also got a silver. And I got this blue shade here, which this isn't showing up very well in my viewfinder. It's kind of a denim color. It looks like a different color blue. These actually look like they're the same, and they're not. They're really different. I don't know. Maybe my computer will make it look different. I also got some other green colors. This one here is a brighter green, and then I got, I think there's like there's a light green, a medium green, there's a lime green, there's a dark green, so there's different shades of green. And I also got red. This is an orange red, and this is just a regular red. And I'm running out of space here, can you tell? I got these two also. So like a navy blue, dark blue, and this, I would say, a turquoise blue. So I got 18 colors. Now I do want to let you guys know, I tested all of these seed beads, and these seed beads are either coated, dyed, or painted. except for the white one. This one is in its natural state. So there's a lot of different companies that do this with seed beads. Even the most expensive seed beads, Miyuki, Toho, you know, all those, they do the same thing. And I usually see it more with pink colors. So when I ordered these, I knew that the pinks would be like this. So anyways, I do plan to use these seed beads because they are dyed, coated, or painted in projects like stringing, stuff like that. I'm not going to use them so much into weaving projects because I do worry about the coating coming off over time. And I'm really happy with all the colors. They're really pretty, especially the pinks. Drop dead gorgeous. Love the peaches. So I just wanted to show you guys this. And when you're working with seed beads like this, you do have to think about coated seed beads. This is kind of like pearls. Do you guys realize that glass pearls are painted? That is not their natural color. There's a coating on top of them. So whenever I work with seed beads like this, I think of these like working with pearls. So now I'm going to show you the other stuff I got, and I have to clear off my desk. I have a huge mess. I also got these lobster claws. These are decorative lobster claws, and they are huge. So sometimes when I'm making a piece of jewelry, a bracelet or necklace that's like chunky and big, and if I put a tiny clasp on it, it looks weird. It's not proportionate, so it's nice to have these on hand. And these are also great for doing keychains. I really love this stuff though, clasps like this, for doing leather, because they have big openings. And there were two different sets that this lobster claw came in. This set here I think was only 4 colors, but there was another set that I was looking at that had, I think it was 6 colors. But I went with this one because this one had more lobster claws in it. So there is silver, antique silver, gold, and bronze, and the other set had antique copper and gunmetal, which is like a hematite color. So here is what they look like up close. I think they're about 1 inch long. They're really nice. I'm going to take one out for you guys and show you. Oh, they're so cute. And I thought that I could use these with the bead caps that I got. Not bead caps, bead cones. I got these really pretty bead cones that these would look great with. I love those. And they came in my favorite bead storage container here. Okay, so I'm going to put this away. And I'm going to show you what else I got. I got some more striped seed beads. I got some in the past. They were 6/0 seed beads. And I think these are 12/0. And I do think there's different colors in here than what I've gotten before. The other one had like yellow and orange mixed together. And this one has like different colors mixed. So there's like dark blue, light blue. There's lime green and white. This is 2 different shades of brown. Yellow and brown, yellow and white. White and red. That looks like candy canes to me. Yellow and green, red and blue. And look at how filled. These are filled to capacity. Totally filled up. Now these seed beads aren't perfectly uniform, but I'm totally okay with that because I don't always use perfectly uniform seed beads. I use a variety of different kinds of brands of seed beads in the stuff I make. Okay, so I got that. And I also found these rondelles, and I've seen these in other online bead stores. But I was so happy to find these in a big package like this. I have plastic everywhere. These are matte rondelles, and they're not just matte, but they are baby finish. Look at that. I gotta open this one. All the boxes are taped shut. So, let's see. Okay. Oh my gosh, they're beautiful. So there is dark blue. There is a champagne color. My phone is listening to me. I hate when it does that. There's teal, purple. This is like soft baby blue. And this is a champagne color too, I would say, but this one's more of a pink. Maybe this is actually more of a rosaline. And then there's aqua, and there's this pale green. I love it. They're beautiful, and they're really good quality. And it looks like to me, because they are matte and they go through a special treatment, their holes don't look as sharp. So I'm going to let you look at the hole there of the bead. It looks like they're sanded down a little bit. So I'm really happy with those. I love those. And I also got, so these here are semi-precious stones, but I didn't get this for the stones. I actually got this for the bottles because I realized that these are different shaped bottles than what I've used in the past. And if you've been watching my videos for a while, then you know that I have 2 tutorials on beaded bottles. One tutorial I did bottles from the Dollar Tree. They're super tiny. They're like this. And I just beaded them with seed beads, and they turned out really great. They're so darn cute. And then later on, after time went by, I decided that I wanted to do another beaded bottle. And the second one I made is really over the top, gorgeous. I made it where I had little things going on inside of it. Like one had snow and a snowflake, the other one had a fairy, a mushroom, like a mossy floor. I did an ocean theme. I did one with an owl and a bird, the bird nest for the owl, with eggs in it, and they just turned out amazing. So I have another idea for a bottle that I want to do, and so I got this. So I really didn't get it for the stones, but I am going to leave the stones in the bottle. At least at this time, I think I'm going to do that. Watch me change my mind later on. So I just wanted to show you guys. Now, the stones in the bottle aren't polished. They are in their natural rough state. But like I said, I'm fine with that. I'm not taking them out to string them. So this one here is lapis, and I just love the shape of these bottles. So the first bottle I did was tiny, and then the second one I did is a tall bottle, so it's like this. So this one's like in between, and this here is wider and the neck is taller of the bottle. So this one is a different bottle. I really like these. So there's, let's see, there's lapis, moonstone, amethyst, red jasper, amazonite, garnet, snowflake obsidian, rose quartz, and unakite. So gemstones in the rough are actually really popular right now, and I think you guys are gonna like my new bottle idea. So these are pretty darn cute. I love them. Okay, so this is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. I will leave links for everything I got down there in the description bar, so you can go and check out for yourself, and I'll also put the coupon code down there. And now I have a huge mess to clean up. This is it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like this video, leave me a comment, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and make sure you click the bell button so you get notified when I upload new videos, and like me on Facebook. And don't forget to share pictures of the jewelry you've made from my videos on my Facebook page, and follow me on Pinterest. Thanks for watching.